Ooh, it's a little wet here. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh. 5.2 miles to the parking lot. Let's do it. What's up guys, so we are just outside of the Roanoke Valley and we're going to be hiking up to McAfee's Knob. So I've been in this area pretty much before, so I was here in 2015 and I had the timber clips last year. So this is part of Virginia's Triple Crown. So we've got the boys. I'm at college, so we are out here and yeah, we're going to have a fun time. So right now it's actually misting pretty heavily. We may not get a view, but it will still be pretty cool. So yeah. So this will be about an 8-mile hike. So we're right here. We just gotta get up to McAfee's Knob. We'll be back. So should be a fun hike. All right, so here are the boys.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right.
All right. I think it's that way. I think.
What?
I don't know.
You've done it before. I'm not gonna argue. What time we start? 2:15.
2:15. All right. Cool.
So the goal is to get done by
6.
3:15.
Ooh. Wait, hold up.
Is it pretty steep?
So we're on the Appalachian Trail heading, I think, northbound? Yeah, we're heading northbound. But yeah, there's Route 311 down there, and this is already really wet. I probably should have worn pants, but we'll be all right.
That's what I'm thinking right now. I should have worn pants.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, I brought pants with me. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go in shorts because it's not even that cold.
I wasn't thinking about like wearing pants because there's gonna be a lot of stuff around. I was
Right,
just like,
yeah.
okay, I want to not get hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice and shady. I'm just trying not to sweat.
I think we might get soaked.
Wait,
Yeah.
I'm fine with that. I am fine with that. I say 8 miles.
Hot to forest over there.
This is just like when I was hiking Terror Cliffs. It was just foggy.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, I feel like I'm in the jungle right now.
Looks like we have hot to forest over there.
This is so weird.
I brought a lot of fruit snacks.
Bro, I got Skittles.
It's not my stomach that you're coming with. Yeah, I mean, we're stepping on the dirt. I haven't slipped yet, so I guess I'm like superior in some way.
I didn't do anything.
I'm gonna fall. Actually, thank you very much. I actually like it. I actually didn't get wet at all.
Bro, I got soaked. Oh no. Well, we've already walked a half mile.
We're so close.
3.4 miles to go.
We're like almost there.
Wait, hold up. We already walked 0.6 miles.
We already walked 0.5 miles.
Wow, fast.
Pretty good, boys.
Good job.
Yeah, I remember this view. You could see like something, but like this is like you can't see.
this is
You can't see anything out here, man. We're at 2,000 feet. 2,000 feet. We have like 1,000 feet more to go of elevation. Bro, there's no way you're gonna make this.
I'm going up.
Oh my god.
I'm going up too.
Oh my gosh.
3 steps. That's 1.
Oh no, I'm not making it past 2.
Come on, bro.
Alright, my turn. You failed.
Jeremy's got. Oh, he's almost got a.
One more. You got it.
Just roll down.
Oh, he's got it.
There's a 3rd. You can get a 4th.
land on me.
Don't worry, Jeremy. I got a comfy backpack here.
Oh.
Now, how are you gonna get down?
Yeah, about that.
It's gonna be like a water slide.
Yeah, dude,
How
that,
do you get down this?
it's not about the up, it's about the down. Oh my goodness, wow.
Dude, once you lose traction, it's gonna be bad news.
Yeah, it's not gonna end well.
Maybe you should stop.
Just don't stop.
Don't.
Oh my. If you could just get up to those like bumpy rocks up there. Just reach up there and then you could probably like shimmy your way down over here.
Oh, I'm scared for you, man.
I'm trying not to just fall.
I haven't catch him.
Oh my god. Oh my. You're right.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh my god.
Alright, so you okay? Actually?
Oh my goodness.
I feel like I just got hurt.
I just got hurt with my mouth.
Jeremy, you crackhead.
Jeremy, bro. Yeah, the fire road will probably take back because I don't want to be climbing up this. Oh, here's the first shelter. I think this is the John Spring shelter. Yeah. Yeah, it's an AT shelter. So I think we're about halfway there, but we still got that 1,000 feet of elevation being to go. So I think after we pass the second shelter, we'll start the steep ascent. But it's been ups and downs. Oh, we got a switchback.
Oh yeah. If we're zigging and zagging, we must be almost there.
So the Catawba Mountain Shelter is through the trees over there. So after that shelter, we're gonna start heading up. Alright, shelter's down there.
Oh my god.
Only 1.5 miles, boys.
How much?
There we go. Tier Cliffs is actually 6.6 miles. Got a campsite here. Another one. Lots of campsites. Now we're gonna start the ascent. 1.5 miles. Alright, here's the fire road.
It's like paralyzed, you can't move. Like you're awake.
1.2 miles, McAfee Knob.
Seriously? Yeah. Like you just wait, you just like you can move.
Yo, look at this. Whoa.
Are those mushrooms?
Yeah.
I thought they were like orange peels just sitting there. Wow, light.
White. There we go, got a little overlook.
guys.
There's guys.
There it is.
Oh, you can see Tinker Cliffs down there.
Can you see it from here?
Yeah,
See what?
it's the farthest mountain down there. Tinker Cliffs.
What is it?
I'm gonna see if it's easier.
He's gonna climb this rock.
I'll be the one watching this time.
Yeah, because you don't want to get injured again. Oh wow. Ooh.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Yeah. I would. I don't have any energy.
It's okay.
I was like, I can't do it.
Oh.
They're dipping reds in there. That was good, man.
Oh. See a sign. Oh, it says overlook. Now we're in the fog again. Yeah. Alrighty. Oh, pretty misty. There's the arch right there's the outcropping. Oh, we made it. Let's go. How do you feel, Jack?
Pretty good. Tired. Dehydrated.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Just doing that.
Yeah, definitely. It is so nice and cool up here.
Yeah. I wish the cloud was out.
Yeah, I know. Hopefully it'll clear up, but I don't know if it's going to. he's got it. Nice.
It goes in the vlog no matter what.
Yeah, it definitely does. Oh my goodness. Well, this is my second time summiting McAfee's Knob. So I was back here in 2015. Unfortunately, you can't see a view, but I'll show you guys a picture of what it was when I went to McAfee's Knob in 2015. But it's like 270-degree views. Tinker Cliffs would have been up here. I think North Mountain would have been along here.
Literally, just don't think about it.
And then Dragon's Tooth would have been way down there. And this would have been the Catawba Valley. So, I mean, it's fine. I mean, it's still foggy and everything. It's still really cool. Oh my God, Jack, what are you doing?
I like hearing you guys. You know, if I fall asleep, that'd be bad.
Bro, I'm taking...
Why do I walk farther away from the edge like it'll somehow help?
Jeez, that is actually ridiculous. Like, it looks like you're about to fall off from this angle. Oh my God.
Yeah.
We want to go back down together.
He'll go back down. We'll just go down to the fast.
Yeah. Alright, we're leaving McAfee's Knob. Bye, McAfee's Knob. Oh. Taking a shortcut back. Cut those guys off. Where are we? Just keep going, just keep going. I have a map, we'll be fine. Where'd they go? Oh no. Just keep going. We'll find the trail. We got this.
Yeah, as long as it's straight.
There's the trail. We made it.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
Shortcuts for days, boys.
We gotta get there before they do.
Are you vlogging this?
Yeah, of course I am, man. Come on, guys. Yeah, we pretty much, yeah.
We were scary when we found the trail.
We're like, oh crap, where's the trail?
Scary movies when I
We're going back under the clouds, so it's starting to rain again. This may be like this the whole time on the way back. We're back in the fog. Oh my gosh. Back in the foggy wonderland. Whoa, look at this. Maybe the foggiest hike I've ever been on. This is definitely rivaling Mount Rogers fog. Holy cow. Alright, fire road boys. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Fire road to Route 311. Let's get it. Let's go.
Yeah.
We're like on the beach with all this sand. All these flowers. It's pretty nice.
That's something else. You're actually
You fit through it.
next door?
Next door.
You don't even know.
How's the view?
It's beautiful. I gotta go higher.
Oh god, oh my god.
I'm not doing that again.
Hey guys, I made it!
This might be our best view of the day. This is pretty sick. It's starting to clear up a bit. But McAfee's Knob was over these clouds up here, which is pretty crazy. Because I think we're at 2100 feet right now, and McAfee is at 3100. Yeah, so really beautiful. All right, we made it, boys. Oh, keep tripping. All right, we made it. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.